A new wind is rising. We are at the dawn of new days. 70 years ago, in 1951,赤穂 City was born. In 1955, the city merged with Une village, and in 1963, added Chushingura district. The city developed around the vast ruins of ancient salt pans, and now has proceeded to a new stage. The city is a compact urban area created at the mouth of the Chushingura River. We are proud to present赤穂's 4 historical districts. Une district has an abundance of cultural assets with scattered ancient ruins. In medieval times, the district flourished beside the Tsukushi-Omichi main road, which was renamed Saigoku Kaido early in the modern period. Takao district is fertile land created by the Chushingura River, which has had a water extraction point since the Edo period, and supplies赤穂 City to this day. Chushingura district is a fishing port where locals still tell the legend of a scary dragon god that looks over fishermen and citizens. The dynamic terrain showed that赤穂 is a city built in a volcanic caldera. Sakoshi district has kept its old townscape and was designated as an urban landscape formation area in Hyogo. Sakoshi Bay is famous for its festivals, traditions, and scenery. Furthermore, our way of life in the future will evolve more profoundly and rapidly than we've ever seen before. In this new normal, we will diligently move into the next phase of society.赤穂, the city you want to keep living in, is unfolding. The population may decrease, but AI and IoT capabilities will improve everyday life with things such as self-driving cars, teleworking, and telediagnosis, fundamentally changing our lifestyle and way of thinking. The city offers enhanced urban functions and public services. We also recognize diverse parenting needs, and we are confident that we will see the children of the future grow up healthy. With all that being said, there is something that hasn't changed: the identity of赤穂 City. It is rare to see a city with such an abundance of historical and cultural heritage. We are using these inherited assets to attract interest in the city from inside and outside of Japan. We also have an abundance of diverse cultural arts. We share emotional ups and downs while always wishing for each other's happiness. No matter how technology affects our lives, the warmth of local people will remain unchanged. We would like to see your happiness grow here. Surrounded by nature, we would like to nurture a lively city full of happiness and hope for the future. We would like to help visitors feel joy and fulfillment, which enriches our life and makes our future better. Now, the future is right before us. Let's accomplish great things. Let's create such a future that the generations following us will exceed our happiness and success. We're not just dreaming. We have the power, together, to make it happen. Our vision of a sustainable future will be made into reality. Holding on to the 70 years of history and pride left to us by our ancestors. Now is the time to fly to the future.赤穂, let's raise the flag together. Show our colors.